Harper, reporting the news on Wednesday, June 2nd, 2021. Welcome to school on Hat Day. Did you remember to wear your favorite hat today? Did you know there is a new Spirit Day every day this week? Today is Hat Day. Tomorrow is Michigan Sports Day. Pick your favorite team from Michigan and wear their colors to school or a jersey. Friday is grade level color day. If you don't know the color for your grade level, just ask your teacher. Keep tuning into DBN for the latest Spirit Day news. Today's weather report. There is a chance of rain today with warmer temperatures. Our high is getting up to 72 degrees with a low going down to 55 degrees. Birthday news for June 2nd. Happy birthday to Zachary from Miss Pribula's class, and Lily from Miss Eminen's class, and Monica from Miss Eminen's class. We hope you have the best birthday ever, Monica, Lily, and Zachary. Enjoy your special day. Today's breaking news. Fundraiser news today. Today is the last day to order Little Caesars pizza kits. Click on the link below this video to order and help support the Dresden PTO. Talent show update. The talent show videos are due today. You can find the link under the video on DBN, and you must choose login with Microsoft when you access Flipgrid. You can only use your school account to add a talent show video. Have fun! Are you ready for Tuesday trivia answer? Can you name all of the oceans on Earth? Here we go. Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and the Southeastern Ocean. Our daily wonder quote is, ignorance is not saying, I don't know. Ignorance is saying, I don't want to know. This is Harper saying have a wonderful Wednesday. Be sure to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Habit Splash after the joke of the day.
What do you get if you cross a cow with a superhero in a shell? A teenage mutant ninja turtle.
Hi, my name is Skittles, and I live with Mrs. Baird. Are you ready to say the Pledge of Allegiance and the Habits Pledge with me? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I decide on this day to live the habits in every way. Be proactive, begin with the end in mind, and always remember to be kind. Put first things first, think win-win too. I can do this all day through. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. That will help us synergize. It will feel so good. Sharpen the saw a little every day. I'll live the habits in my own way.